Have you ever wanted to impress your friends with your ability to solve a Rubik's Cube? It is an achievable goal, and all it takes is a little bit of knowledge. This video will teach you the basics of solving a Rubik's Cube. Start by getting familiar with the different colors and sides of the cube. The cube has 6 different colored faces: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and white. Each face has 9 squares that each have one color. Next, find the top centerpiece to serve as a reference point so that you can recognize how the pieces are arranged in relation to each other. Now, when manipulating the cube, keep this top centerpiece in one place at all times so that no pieces on other faces become misaligned. It's time to begin. The first step is to arrange all of the corner pieces so that they match up with their corresponding colors on adjacent faces. To do this, look at where the corners are initially positioned and move them into place without switching any center pieces or disturbing any solved edges. Once all corners are aligned, it's time to start working on moving and swapping edges until they match with their corresponding centers. Gradually work through each edge correctly until there are 8 correctly matched edges surrounding 8 correct corners. Congratulations! You solved the Rubik's Cube and are now a master puzzler. Keep practicing, as there are more complicated algorithms and puzzles involved in cubing that you can play around with once you've mastered this level.